Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that infrared token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, infrared finance is the core infrastructure layer for Chain proofs of liquidity ecosystem, offering liquidity staking, validator infrastructure and automated POL vaults and the vaults that form the backbone of the chains yield and governance economy. Infrared solves critical inefficiencies in POL by unlocking liquidity for non-transferable assets, automating yield aggregation, and optimizing validator performance. It enables users and protocol to access liquidity, governance, and yield in a single click, driving capital efficiency and ecosystem growth. Infrared is led by the DeFi native founders and engineers from Berachain. Infrared token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 205 million IR token. IR token is listed on Binance Alpha, KuCoin and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 80% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.